The RPL lab number 9 that has the automated calculation of employee payroll by extraction data from the Excel sheets, applying the business rules and generating the final payroll. So in which we have to create some sort of robot and do the process of what we are going to do in the project management. So basically we'll dive into the project itself. You can just go for the RPA workflow into it, and in the RPA workflow there is the manual trigger which is at the default management system. So apart from that we'll be having a read range. So this read range we'll be having basically the Excel will be going. So in the read range, wait for some time until it is created, and you can log in into your Outlook account or Gmail account. I can give the spreadsheet name. So basically, make sure that your Google Drive or within the email has this particular data set that you are going to give. And after the read range has been completed, you can just go for your for each. In the for each, just give an variable name. Here I'll be giving as employee. Say employee data. So when I give employee data, it shows whatever the columns and rows I'm having in the employee data itself. So this is the for each row where it shows all the assignment of the rows itself. So in the for each row, let's choose the assign variable value, and assign variable value, I'll be going for the filter functions. In the filter function, I'll be giving my data table or any tax amount that you want. So make sure that you know all sorts of proper decorum for the field itself. So in the first one, I have given the gross values, and the second one, I have given the tax amount. And next, for the assignment of the variable value, I'll be giving I'll be giving the net salary. And next, moving on to the next assignment role, I'll be giving my payroll number. My payroll role after the net salary. So make sure that you save all your progresses, and on the right hand side you can see the process is running very smoothly. So make sure that there occurs no error into your robotic system of the RPA workflow. And once everything has been successfully completed, you can see a success tag which is being attached to your output result side. And here it comes, that is the so wait for some time until it runs completely. And set your name for your Excel sheet. So this is how the Excel sheet looks like, and it has been automatically transferred into your email as well as downloaded into your project account itself. So this is how it works for the RPL lab number 9.